Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 10.2. In this episode, we will be covering from Tris Dies down through Per Venit, but first we will review the first part of the translation. After Perseus pushed up Pulit, his boat to the island ad insulum Nawam, he went, se contulit, to that place where his mother had once lived, habitaverat pluperfect, but he found the home, se domum Wakawam, he found the home empty and completely deserted. Now the new material. Tris dies per totam insulam matrem quae rebat, tandem quarto die ad templum Dianae pervenit. This portion starts with a masculine, plural, accusative duration of time, tris dies. Now, dies is a fourth declension noun, dies, D-A-E, like so, and it can be masculine or feminine. It is typically masculine. Here, it's with tris, like so long, tris dies, which sometimes would be spelled as trace. That's an alternative spelling for this adjective, third declension adjective, and it's used to express the extent of time, throughout 3 days, and then per totam insulam, throughout the whole island. So notice here that the preposition per takes always and only the accusative, namely insulam, feminine singular accusative, and it's modified by totam. Throughout the whole island, matrem quae rebat. He kept looking for his mama. Quae rebat, of course, is an imperfect. All four declensions of the imperfect, all four declensions of verb in Latin, have the ba infix, not a prefix, not a suffix. We can call it an infix to show the imperfect tense. This is the verb quaero, quaerere, so it is third declension. He was searching, or he kept looking for his mom, matrem, which is, of course, feminine singular and accusative, and it refers to Danaea. At last, tandem, on the fourth day, quarto die, ad templum Dianae pervenit. So we begin with this conjunction, or this adverb, tandem, often confused with ta men, because it has a T, it has an M, it has an N, and it's 2 syllables. However, they have nothing else in common. The meaning is entirely dissimilar. This means however, this means finally or in the end. So don't confuse them. At last, on the fourth day, quarto die. Now this is masculine singular and ablative. So unlike the accusative of extent of time, tris dies, this is the ablative of a point of time, on the fourth day. So the ablative of time tends to be singular, not always, and the accusative of time can be singular or plural, perhaps tending toward the plural, but we don't want to make hard and fast rules for this. He reached, pervenit. So this is from pervenio, pervenire, like so. It's a fourth conjugation verb. And the present tense is pervenit, like this. The perfect tense is pervenit, with a long E. So that's what I'm believing that this is, because we have other past tenses, other historical tenses like quae rebat and, in the next sentence, refugerat. So I'm taking this one as a third singular perfect indicative active. He arrived at ad templum Dianae, and templum, of course, is a neuter singular accusative second declension noun, object of the preposition ad. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.